everyone, this is the blue smoky eyeliner makeup look, as you guys already can see, and even you know it from the title itself. So I'm back after a good long time. So yes, I am again back, and this is the makeup look which I'm going to share it with you guys today. So if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a like, even subscribe to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, hi, this is Anamika, and I'm doing this series in which I'm doing all the pride makeup from the flag itself. Like I have done red, orange, yellow, green, and this is the blue eye makeup look. I still have 3 more makeup looks to come, like 2 more colors plus the multicolor look from the flag. So yes, I'm super excited to share all the looks with you guys. And if you are not subscribed yet, please go and do that. And now, without wasting much time, let's get into this video. Done with my eyebrows and my base makeup. Now I'm going to move on to my eye makeup look, and for this part I'm going to explain it. So for my first eyeshadow palette, I'm taking this Wet n Wild color Icon Rose in the Air palette, going with this brown shade right here, and will run this on the socket of my eyes. That's it for my transition shade. Now I'm moving on to the other shade from the same palette, and I'm going to apply this all over my lids like a water of color. And now I'm going to apply some kajal on my upper lids area, and this is the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Instead of this black kajal, you can go for any blue kajal as well. And now from Makeup Revolution Temi X Tropical Carnival palette, I'm going with this shimmery blue shade. Now with this tiny little brush, I'm going to apply this blue color on my lids area where I have applied the kajal. Now after applying this on the lids area, I'm going to make the wing just with the eyeshadow. You don't need a kajal for this. Now I'm going to smudge this out with the sponge tipped applicator brush. Now after applying the kajal, I am going with the blue shade again on the lower lash line to smoke it out. I hope you all enjoyed this makeup tutorial. As you can see, it's super wearable and easy to recreate, of course. If you want to wear this, you can surely go ahead with any outfit, anywhere, whenever you want to. So yes, do let me know if you recreate this makeup look. Do let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this look, and even I would like you to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and even don't forget to follow me on all my social media handles, especially on Instagram, because I'm doing 100 days of makeup challenge over there. I'm sorry for being MIA even on YouTube and over there on Instagram, because I was really busy with something else. So nothing special to share, but yes, I was really busy, and I hope you guys are following me over there. So if you're not, please do that, and I'm going to post amazing makeup looks, as I always say. That's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Mwah. Bye.